हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट और एंगुलर प्रोजेक्ट यूजिंग एंगुलर CLI। So to create any angular project we can just run a single command. It is ng new and then any project name. You can say this hello what, and now it will ask for routing. We can say no for any simple project, and then style should be CSS as we are not using any complex styling for now. So as you can see, this is creating all the resources in background, and it will start installing npm packages. So now our project has been created. We can open it using code command, code space dot, and it will open in VS Code. So that's all for this video. In next video we'll see how to run our first project in browser.